Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So people are getting warned about these unlimited plans that Lime and Digicel has been promoting, because enough people are said then they get robbed because these plans are not really unlimited. So let's get into this video because I don't know. Digicel are people at Jamaica. I don't know, and so I know Lime comes in and they're doing the same thing. So you can't win for lose. It says the Fair Trading Commission is urging consumers to be particularly vigilant when the word unlimited is used in advertisements, and are encouraged to obtain full information from their telecommunications service providers on the details of calling plans prior to purchase. The FTC said it has received several complaints regarding restriction placed on unlimited calling plans by telecommunication services providers and have launched investigation Section 37 of the Fair Competitions Act, which deals with misleading advertisement. In particular, the FTC said it will be treating advertisement promoting calling plans which are capped or otherwise qualified and which are referred to as unlimited or any other word which may convey a similar meaning as being misleading or likely to mislead the public. The Commission said the complaints from the public, which concerns the unlimited calling, text, and data plans being advertised, would be vigorously pursued as breaches of the Fair Competitions Act, and I hope they go through with it, because too many times they do this stuff and they get a slap on the wrist, then get one fine, and then pay the government a little bit of money, and it's all forgiven. We need them to address this matter and address it very seriously. Don't sweep it underneath the rug. Don't give them no fine. Make them have to show up at court and people know that they're stealing. Put it out in the public that they are stealing and misleading Jamaican people. If you're in Jamaica, be very careful when these telecommunication companies use the word unlimited, because a lot of the times these plans are not really unlimited, and they rob and steal Jamaican people hard-earned money, and that right there is not okay. Digicel, Lime. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what your thoughts are on this story. Do you think that this needs to be put out in the public more, and people need to know exactly what they're getting themselves into when these companies advertise unlimited plans that are not unlimited? What do you think the punishment should be for these companies? Because too many times we see them get a slap on the wrist and go. So detail in the comment section below what would be your punishment if you were in charge of the FTC. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.